Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to run partnership ads on Facebook. Now you need to know that there are three main methods to do so, and I will show you exactly in this video how to do it by using any one of these three ways. So let's get started. So now the first way to do so is to simply navigate to business settings in the meta right here. And here on the left, you will find the options. You just have to click on add partnerships right here. Then once you click on add here in this section right here, it will show you here the partners. But here in my case, I have just covered them. And here on the right side here, you will find the status of each partner. So here, as you can see, I have the first partner active, the second one active, and the third one has a request sent to him. So to add a partnership, you should click on add partnership right here. It will open this window. You will have to type here the handle of the partner that you want to add. Then after that, you should click on next. Then you will have to select a business account or a business asset. Then you'll have to review the request and click on done. And when you go back to this page right here, it will show you the status of the partnership, and a message or a request will be sent to the someone that you want to add on his Instagram. And if he accepted, it will be shown like this, active, in the active status. In the status section, it will show you here this option, active. And by this way, he will be able to access any post that you have. So that was the first method. The second method is to simply head to this section right here. You'll have to go to this window by going to new sales campaign, then click on new sales ad set. Then here, as you can see, we'll have the new sales ad. You'll have to go to this option right here, partnership ad, then toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, this option will appear. You'll have to click on enter ad code or post info. Then you will have to get the code from the creator. Once you enter the code right here, a window will pop out on the right side showing you the name of your account, the handle of the creator that you want to add, etc. Then you should click on done. Now that was the second method. Now let's jump into the third method and final method. The final method is to simply just scroll down in the same page that we were in, and here you will find ad setup. Just click on this bar right here. It will show you many options. You will have to click on use existing post. Once you click on it, it will open up this page right here. You just have to click on select post. Once you click on select post, it will show you here this section, and will show you all the posts that you have selected. You can simply give him the permission to a specific post, and if the creator or the someone that you want to make a partnership with didn't accept yet, it will be displayed in gray color, and if you accept it, it will be displayed in a green color. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.